Sam again, and for someone who is here for the first time ever, this channel will help you to improve your IELTS band score from 5 to 7,
5 to 7,
especially in speaking and writing. Remember that I use as many simple vocabularies as I can in my videos to prove you the fact that numerous advanced vocabularies boosting your IELTS band score at times may not be the case. I try to focus on the 4 marking criteria to show you the bigger picture and help you to improve your IELTS band score. A little bit about my IELTS band score last year. No, actually the years before last year, 2019, I took the test and I scored 8.5 in reading, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing. As I will post my new material every Fridays every week, they definitely match your self-study pace. Besides, I'm currently working and studying here in New Zealand, and I do enjoy cooking at times. In my videos, you guys will see some of the New Zealand beautiful nature, Kiwi ordinary life, and the Vietnamese cuisines. By the way, I'm from Vietnam. Hello everyone. So guys, this week's question will appear shortly.
Guys, are you ready to answer the question yet? 1, 2, 3. When become more mature, I came to know lots of people who spend their entire life for humanity. Among them, the contribution of Miss Christina Noble are absolutely admirable, and she's famous for her projects helping unlucky Vietnamese children out. She is currently living in Ireland where she was born, and she often travels back and forth between Vietnam and Ireland, where she both consider her homeland. When she was in her 30s, she got a strange dream about Vietnam War and Vietnamese children who lost their parents in the war. Then she took a flight to Ho Chi Minh City, and over there, after months talking to locals and officials, she decided to help a lame dog over a stile. As a result, the Christina Noble Children's Foundation was launched in 1990, and for years it has been helping thousands of Vietnamese children with disability or without parent presence. And for 30 years, the foundation has been funded by the money raised from local Irish, English, and Australian people through fundraising events held by Christina and her dedicated team. In specific, the children have had a chance to study in a primary school and experience the medical treatment in the center right inside the foundation campus. I came to know about Christina when I was 25 years old. Back then, while surfing on the internet to look for a voluntary opportunity, I came across her story on the foundation website. And after that, being inspired by her biography, I then became one of the personal tutors for a little boy in her foundation. Even though I haven't had a chance to see her in person, through images of her and the children hung in the foundation's campus, I can feel she has a big heart and huge love towards the children. And I'm feeling so proud of her, and more than any other woman I have ever seen, she deserves a trophy for her non-stop efforts to deliver benevolence. So guys, I have just finished answering one question in the IELTS speaking part 2. It's time now to analyze why my answer will score band 7.
thank you guys for your attention today. I do appreciate that. Good luck to someone who's going to take the test very soon. If you're not ready, don't worry. Keep calm, drink your cup of tea or coffee and less IELTS. And today's I am on my day off and I will have a chance to visit a really nice place in New Zealand. So guys, wait and see where's the place. And guys, take care until next time and enjoy the sceneries. Bye bye. Chào chào tạm biệt. Hobson Mountains is located in the Remuera suburb to the east of the Newmarket commercial suburbs. Over here you can overlook the Rangitoto Island. Enjoy guys!